In this video, I will show you how to change invoice template in Odoo. So you can find it by going over to the accounting software of your actual Odoo website. So you can head over right here to this customers option, and we have in here this invoices option. Now, once you have done this, you can see in here that you can create a particular customer invoice. Click onto this new option. And then from in there, input right here the invoice name. So for example, let's just name this invoice right now. You can add a line right here, add a section, a note, catalog, or anything that you want added for this one. So you can just head over and add in here the product that you will actually be added to your invoice. You can add in here anything that you want, and then from that, just head over and put this invoice date and the like. From in there, click onto this confirm option, and in here, make sure to add in here some options, as well as log note. And for this particular activity, make sure to click onto this gear icon, and then for this one, you can see in here this options. So what we can do right here is we can just head over and then duplicate it and then save it as our usual template.